always put the audience within the action so that they felt like they were participating in the action, as well as watching the characters be inside the action so they were emotionally hooked to the action as well.
So Rick has got that set of eyes for that, but he's also got a great storytelling, and he's not into just having explosions for the sake of explosions. Everyone that goes off has a motivation for it.
So then he comes in, boom, there. That's where I'm going to start. Jerry putting the thing down and following up in position, you went onto your right hip. Yeah. Which is basically what you were tonight. Yeah. So that's where I'm going to start the shot, and then you dig into the leaves, getting your claymores out and all that stuff, and then we'll start the dialogue there.
With Rick, he always wants to put you right in the middle of it. There's not a single thing that happens where he's like, you're not in this shot.
Are you kidding me?
And it's like that in everything, and it's incredible how involved, how that sucks an audience, and it sucks me in as well.
Fuck him!
So when Clay is blown up a forest, you see Clay blowing up the forest, and you're in the fire sequence yourself.
Old bull, young bull.
Oh, look at old young bull.
全米ナンバーワン大ヒット、悪の罠に落ちた史上最強のシークレットサービス、最後のミッション、果たして世界は救えるのか。
I'm gonna offer my resignation, sir.
壮絶すぎる死闘、アクションがガチすぎる。エンド・オブ・ステイツ。